because the fire, there was a big fire here, okay? It's burnt all the trees, all the fences. These are very old fences, okay? With barbed wire. So if you fix them with new wood, they look rare, okay? So we use old pieces of wood, so it doesn't look like it's been changed, okay? I mean, you can fix it with new wood, but it wouldn't be the same. So what we do is do it with old things, like old pieces of wood. I mean, this burnt wood looks like it's very bad. I mean, it will hold. It's even good that it doesn't get no worm because it's burnt, okay? So that will hold. And if you change them and then put them all new, it doesn't look very, I mean, I don't like it. So we're going to come up to this one here. You see them. Some of them are bigger, some of them are smaller. They're all kind of different woods. And then we're going to cut some woods over there, okay? So we're going to use them. So let's see what we're going to do here. If we add another piece of wood here behind, or we take this one out, I think we're going to take it out. I think we're going to take it out. It's going to look nicer. Take it out and put another wood. Okay. Alright. But let me get my screwdriver, okay? Here, okay, try to get it out without hurting ourselves. Careful with the barbed wire, it hurts. So let's have a look and see. Great, pull it out, put that there. Make the hole bigger. The land, the soil, it's like clay. You see it? Very fertile. It's good for potatoes, all kind of crops. It's very, very nice, very fertile. Make it very big. It's the wood. Oh, this is not very big. Can't make it very deep. Let's see. Should be enough. Normal is the way you put them is 50 centimeters deep would be normally okay. You put some stones around it. And then the soil. This is what I have here. not very tall. I can't give it 50 centimeters. Get a bit more deeper. What else is this? Huh? You gonna help me? You gonna help me today? Hey? You gonna help me? Hey? No. Hold a little bit. That's great. It looks like it's been there all its life. Look at the other one, okay? Look. This one in the shade.